Okay, hello everyone. Today the focus is the FTSE 100, the top 100 shares index for the United Kingdom. Haven't spoken about it in a little while, but we had some news today that, more political news, that MPs in Parliament are looking to again thwart a no deal Brexit. This time around, they're looking to withhold funding from various departments in the instance the next government or the next leader of the Conservative Party and the next leader of the government in the UK, probably Boris Johnson, goes for a no-deal Brexit. It looks politically very bad trying to withhold funding from things like schools, etc., just to achieve some sort of political aim. So I don't think this particular scheme works, but it just goes to show that the maths is still stacked against the new leader in terms of getting a no deal done if that ultimately becomes the choice. So the way that affects the FTSE 100 is mainly through the pound. If it increasingly looks like a no deal is more likely, the British pound moves lower. If it looks like we can skirt and if the pound moves lower, that means the FTSE 100 generally will move higher. And again, if we manage to skirt the no deal scenario, typically good for the pound and takes a bit off the FTSE 100. So let's move forward here towards this daily candlestick chart. The way I'm reading this, the FTSE 100 at the moment, is that we had that obviously sharp sell-off in late May, but weren't really able to solidly take out the previous low and rallied nicely. And it's this rally here up through 7,400 that gives me confidence that this bull trend is starting to re-emerge itself. We took out the previous high, we tested 7,400, pulled back, didn't get as far as the 7,300 mark almost, but pretty much held 7,350, rallied up to 7,450, weren't able to get to 7,500, so not such a strong next leg lower, and now we're back closing below 7,400. So to my logic, we haven't quite got the steam to get up to 7,500 yet. We need a pullback probably to actually to or below 7,300 this time, and I think likely holding above 7,250, but making it a little bit lower than this previous low before we get enough buyers involved to take us through what is some stronger longer term overhead resistance. And if I pulled my chart back, you can see this is sort of what we're dealing with in the FTSE at the moment. We had a decent rally, we retraced, didn't turn into a bear trend, we're rallying up to the highs again, but we've got this downsloping trend line through these long-term highs. So if we are able to get to 7,500 again, that necessarily means we get through this declining trend line, and that would be good for the overall bullish trend of the FTSE. So this a potential scenario to look out for here is a little dip, perhaps relating to Brexit and manoeuvres from MPs or lack thereof, perhaps just related to global trends like the G20. Let's see how this all unfolds. Thank you very much for watching. Jasper signing out for today.